making?
I'm making garlic lobster shrimp pasta.
Oh, you add the shrimp with the lobster?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't have enough lobster?
No, I don't have enough lobster.
And who are you cooking for? For Tim or for just you?
I'm just hope to eat like as long as I can.
The last
And pack for my husband for work.
Oh.
So that's easy food that, you know.
What you put in there already?
It's just garlic, oil and garlic.
Oh yeah, that's it. You
Avocado.
haven't yet?
Not yet. Avocado, oil, and a garlic.
Avocado or olive oil?
Avocado.
Where you put How do you where you put avocado at? Like oil?
The avocado oil.
Oh, for real?
You didn't know they have
I never use avocado oil. Oh.
Avocado oil is better because it doesn't burn. It can, you know, you can heat it up all the way to 500 degrees, and it still won't burn.
Oh, I didn't know. I never had it. No, no, no.
Costco, yeah.
I'm gonna get olive. Even
olive oil burn, you know, like it's only good when you.
Does it cold? Like
yeah, only good when it's cold. When it's hot, it's burn. Not good no more.
You bought the shrimp that's already peeled and all that stuff, huh?
No, the shrimp is come with the shell, but I peel it up, but no head. I peel it.
That's a huge piece.
Put a little butter around, just so it don't stick. Yeah. I make a lot. It's just no measurement. It's just eyeball.
My mom don't want to hang out with us, so I take her home.
You need to cut that part out.
Okay. She just wanna hang out and sleep.
And she don't want to help us.
Yep.
It's okay. Too tired.
A bit of cooking.
Yeah. And I'm gonna put some sea salt. Sprinkle some sea salt. But not too less or too much. And black pepper. And rice wine. Just gonna let it cook. Sorry, the loudest.
Chef style, chef mode. That's why you want the parsley, huh?
Yeah. Cook it a little bit to thick up the sauce for a little bit. And cut up some lemon. I'm just gonna use 2 lemons because this lemon is small. Otherwise, you just need 1. Because you always can squeeze on top, you know.
You gonna squeeze it on here?
Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit after this cook down a little bit. I like to squeeze with my hand so I can get juice out more than using those lemon squeeze.
Me too.
One and a half because I already put a little bit of rice vinegar in mushroom already, so and that's it, man. Just need to make pasta.
Parsley.
I mean parsley.
You use all the whole bundle?
Yes. No, it's a little less.
And you cook the mushroom before it, huh?
Yeah, I cook the mushroom before, so you can get better flavor that way. So this mushroom here, I put a little bit of salt, white vinegar, and a little bit of rice wine in here too.
Rice wine sour? Is it sour white wine?
Rice wine is like, it tastes, I actually never really tasted, but no, it's no sour.
And you use it for cooking, huh?
Yeah, but the vinegar, rice vinegar is sour, just like vinegar, you know. But it make from rice instead of make from other foods. That, and I'm just gonna put this mushroom in.
And you're done, huh?
Yep, and I'm just gonna make my pasta.
Oh, you put pasta in it?
Yeah. So it can mix with all the sauce. With this sauce will grab the pasta, and it's just really simple.
It's like skimpy
Yeah.
shrimp.
This is like one whole bag, like one pound. Yeah. Just trying to help me move. And when you boil this pasta, you add a little salt in the boiling water too.
Just the salt, no oil?
No oil. Some people they put olive oil, but I didn't put. Sometimes I do, but this time I don't. But it don't matter.
Then stick, huh?
Yeah, because when it comes with the sauce, it's going to lose it up anyway. It's not gonna stick. Oh, I forgot to add butter. Wait, it's supposed to add butter before I put the pasta in. But
So it's just like skimpy shrimp, like
Yeah,
you see
yeah.
from BJ.
yep, pretty much like that.
That's they have a nice one like from BJ and from Red Lobster.
Yeah, but this is like, you know, your homemade cook, so you can cook whatever you
Yeah.
feel like. Yeah, this is supposed to add before
I don't know
you
what it
put
is
the
with
pasta.
me, but I like my noodles skinny. I feel like when it's skinny, it tastes,
Yeah,
it goes in better. Same way with nomi-chok, you know, I like a
Yeah,
really
yeah.
skinny one.
I feel you. I know what you're talking
I
about.
like
I do
thick
too,
one.
but sometimes I just, you know, cook different. My husband likes this fat noodle.
This one would be good for like if you do a chicken Alfredo and stuff.
Oh yeah. Sometimes I do with chicken, but best with seafood. It's called garlic butter.
That's all your butter? That's all you
pasta.
put?
Yeah.
How much you put? Half a block of it?
Oh, I put about the same amount already. When I cook other thing, you know, when I cook the shrimp and cook the mushroom.
So did you use a total of a whole block?
No. It's just only like one-fourth of the whole block.
So you're
Because
done.
you can add more. It's only going to make, you know, give you better taste, but I choose to not put too much. Okay, that's all done. No, but hopefully not bad.
You didn't even taste it?
No, I didn't even taste it. Some mushroom on top and some lobster.
You gonna eat it?
Yeah. But not on the camera though.
You're not gonna mukbang for me?
Okay, I'll do one bite. Okay.
Eggplant that day.
I'm gonna give it a taste. Let me get everything in one bite. Maybe too big, huh?
It's okay. have enough salt in there. It's good.
Perfect amount of salt. But I need a little bit more lemon.
You don't want no tuk tray in there. No tuk tray, no pepper. Yeah, there's pepper.
You know what? Squeeze some.
You like it more sour. So it's
Squeeze
like
some
eating a
lemon on
pad
it.
thai kind of thing, you know?
Yeah, but this is like more like American style. Pad Thai, Asian style. Yeah, just like that. It's perfect. You wanna eat with me?